Hi guys, today's video, we are going to check out the 5 best CNC wood router. CNC Computer Numerical Control Wood Router is a type of automated tool used for carving, engraving, cutting, and shaping wood and sometimes other materials like plastic or foam with high precision. These routers are controlled by a computer, which allows for intricate designs and automated processes that would be very difficult or impossible to achieve manually. The process starts with creating a design on a computer using CAD computer-aided design software. The design is then converted into G-code, a language that tells the CNC router how to move. The CNC machine follows the instructions in the G-code to move the router bit over the wood, carving out the design. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's find out.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.